Hello and welcome to our webinar series Study at Técnico Lisboa. Thank you for joining us today. My name is Agatha and I'm part of the admissions office of Técnico Lisboa. Today, I would like to introduce to you our beautiful city and of course the best engineering, science, technology and architecture school in Portugal, Técnico Lisboa. Técnico Lisboa is located in Lisbon, the capital city of Portugal. We are very well located in the world with the same time zone as the UK and Ireland. We are extremely close to other main European cities as well as strategically located in the world. Before we start And now, yes, before we start talking about our incredible capital city, let's share some curiosities about our country. I hope you're ready. Let's go to our trivia sessions. From football to surfing, Portugal is really a wonderful country. Now back to Lisbon. Here is what our beautiful capital city has to offer. As you just saw, Lisbon is a lot more than a fantastic tourist destination with important monuments, great weather and food. We also have very high quality education system with remarkable university rankings. The best example of that is Universidade de Lisboa. With 18 schools, 8 campi, and more than 400 courses, we are the biggest public university in Portugal. Our international community has over 10,000 students, and a very curious fact is that we have more than 102 nationalities represented. Well, as you can see, all areas of knowledge are available for you, from engineering to law, sports, pharmacy, literature, and many others. However, Universidade de Lisboa, the University of Lisbon, is not only about studying. We have great sports facilities, canteens, and student accommodation available to all students. Well, but we are here today to present the best school of engineering, science, technology, and architecture, Técnico Lisboa. We are the biggest school of the university, representing over 25% of its total. So, if you love engineering, science, technology, and architecture, get ready for the discovery of your life. One thing that you don't know yet is that Técnico Lisboa has three campi. Here they are.
Técnico Lisboa has three campi. Técnico Lisboa has three campi. One in Oeiras, south of Lisbon, where you'll be extremely close to the beach. Another one in Lourdes, north of Lisbon, where there is available a nuclear reactor for research purposes. And at the heart of Lisbon, the main campus, where we are right now, where around 90% of the classes take place, Alameda campus.
A world of opportunities is waiting for you at Técnico Lisboa. Allow me to show you some more information and opportunities available for all Técnico Lisboa students.
With about 11,000 students, of which 17% are international, Técnico Lisboa has more than 700 agreements with schools around the world and 57 double degree programs, which means that during your degree you can, if you wish, pursue an international experience. Técnico Lisboa aims to contribute to the development of society by promoting higher education of excellence in the areas of architecture, engineering, science, and technology. Our school offers great facilities and the best academic offer, with 84 courses in the most diverse areas. We are truly a school for the world.
Well, this amazing centenary institution not only stands out for its programs, but also for its excellent position in world rankings, being the best engineering school in Portugal and one of the best in Europe and in the world. For a lower price, but the highest quality of an academic education, you will become top notch of the world. In what concerns the academic offer, Técnico Lisboa offers bachelor, master, PhD, postdoc degrees, as well as the online courses, the MOOC. Técnico Lisboa offers bachelor programs that for now are taught in Portuguese. It offers a wide range of degrees, starting from the most innovative ones, such as aerospace, biomedical, or physics engineering, to the more classical ones, but equally important, such as civil or mechanical engineering. If you wish to pursue your investment in education, you have available 33 different master programs fully taught in English. This will allow you to deepen your knowledge and to become one of the top notch on your field of expertise. During your master degree, you will have the chance not only to have an international experience, but also to undertake a double degree, having a final certificate from Universidade de Lisboa and another university very well ranked worldwide. Let's also not forget that you have a wide range of mobility programs available, which will allow you to have an international experience during a semester or a full year. Técnico Lisboa teaching model is in line and updated to meet the demanding challenges of today's world. New curricular components are often introduced, and teaching methodologies are top of the game, valuing the academic life and extracurricular experiences of students. Técnico Lisboa bonds its academic strategies with the best schools of science and engineering in Europe. In need of a break from all the study? Well, enjoy the lifestyle that Técnico has to offer. Check this out.
If you are looking to have some fun with good music and entertainment, you can always count on Técnico student parties and tunas, a group of students who play traditional instruments and sing serenades. Want to take your curriculum a step further? Join our student groups. We have over 40 in all areas, from building a Formula One race car to a solar boat. You won't have a dull moment at Técnico Lisboa.
We can clearly say that Técnico Lisboa is a forefront school focused on innovation, and you can still have fun while doing it. How can you not get excited about this? Well, but I think we should get to business now. Studying at Técnico will allow you to get a job and be employed even before you finish your degree. Many employers come to Técnico to recruit our students. How would you feel about having the chance to find a job abroad? Well, check out that our statistics don't lie. We always encourage our students to be the best so they can target the companies they wish to work for and have a bright career in the future. And talking about the future, have you ever heard about our incredible innovative projects? With all the research, top of the game techniques, cutting edge technology, and academic staff among the best in the world, Técnico is the father of some amazing innovation projects that help society in general every day. Have a look.
Técnico Lisboa. Técnico Lisboa has been developing research and innovation pioneer projects, contributing decisively to economic and social development of the country. Research at Técnico Lisboa is organized in centers and institutes that pursue challenging research programs with a strong social impact in the fields of architecture, engineering, science, and technology. Let's start with one of the most remarkable projects. Our very own Gasparzinho is part of the Monarch project that is focused on social robots that interacts with children, engaging in interactive activities in the pediatrics infirmary at the Portuguese Institute of Oncology.
The proof of how much Técnico Lisboa is not only a forefront school but also a great contribution to society are our alumni. The first woman prime minister in Portugal was a former student at Técnico Lisboa. Maria de Lourdes Pintacilgo graduated in chemical and industrial engineering in 1953 at a time when very few women went to the field of engineering. And I guess you are familiar with the United Nations. Well, Antonio Guterres, the Secretary General, is as well a Técnico Lisboa alumni and former lecturer. He studied electrical engineering, graduated in 1971, and was a brilliant student, having graduated with one of the highest final grade averages. We also have international alumni who have become extremely successful after finishing their degrees. Both Rodrigo Carvalho and Samuel Martins have brilliant careers nowadays, working along with worldwide well-known personalities such as Michelle Obama and Bill Gates. But who better to talk about Técnico Lisboa than our alumni? Listen carefully to what they have to say.
Olá, eu sou o Carlos Roda, tenho 39 anos, sou formado em Engenharia Mecânica pelo Instituto Superior Técnico e desempenho, no momento, funções de Facility Manager no Sporting Clube Portugal. O que vos posso dizer da minha experiência que a decisão de entrar para o Instituto Superior Técnico foi uma das melhores decisões que tomei na minha vida. No final do meu curso, a colocação no mercado de trabalho foi bastante facilitada devido à maneira como o técnico é visto. Continua a ser a escola de referência em engenharia em Portugal. A excelência de competências que adquiri, o rigor e a ética de trabalho, aliado às várias experiências porque passei com os vários núcleos, proporcionada pela Associação de Estudantes também, permitiram-me uma rápida progressão de carreira, e o que eu tenho a dizer é que qualquer aluno que frequente e que se forme nesta casa terá sem dúvida um futuro risonho pela frente.
Eu sou a Jennifer Berlim, aluna de Engenharia Civil do Técnico, primeiro semestre, tenho 21 anos, sou brasileira. Eu acabei por escolher o técnico porque se eu podia estar em uma das melhores faculdades do mundo em Engenharia Civil, por que não estar aqui? Amo esse lugar, é um lugar muito receptivo, o Admissions Office é um canto de muito apoio, eles são muito receptivos, são muito acolhedores, tudo que a gente precisa, eles estão sempre ali prontos para ajudar, são muito solícitos e esse lugar é maravilhoso. Cheguei cá a Lisboa há 5 meses, é uma cidade maravilhosa, muito segura, muito calma e ao mesmo tempo muito agitada. Todas as pessoas muito educadas, até onde eu percebi, são todos muito amores, muito receptivos. Consegui fazer muitos amigos aqui através do técnico também. Muitas pessoas que acolhem e que recebem você independente de onde você é. E é um lugar maravilhoso. Lisboa é realmente um berço do mundo, é um lugar onde todas as pessoas são muito bem-vindas. A engenharia civil no técnico tem sido algo muito diferente do que eu esperava, muito além. É um curso que abrange de tudo um pouco. Eu tenho visto que aqui os professores eles são muito bons, são muito atenciosos, conhecem muito daquilo que eles estão a ensinar. E eu tenho tido uma experiência muito boa dentro do curso e dentro de todas as disciplinas aqui.
Another demonstration of what you can achieve with the education at Técnico Lisboa are our unicorns. Talkdesk, created in 2012 by 2 Técnico Lisboa alumni, has developed a technological product consisting of a software platform that allows any company to create their own call center online in less than 5 minutes. And Bubble developed a translation platform that combines artificial intelligence technology with the human element in order to produce the best possible translation, and it's on its way to become a unicorn as well. Now that we have shown you so much about what Técnico Lisboa has to offer, I bet that you are eager to become our students. By now, you might be wondering how to apply and how to take part of this amazing academic experience. Always remember, the admissions office team is here to help you. Our team is here to guide you and will provide you all the necessary information and guidance to make this journey as smooth as possible. Count on us from the application phase to information about your visa issuing until we so proudly welcome you upon your arrival already here in Lisbon. The applications for international students are now open, and this team is ready to help you in at least 4 different languages whenever you reach out to us. Now you may be asking yourself, what documents do I need to prepare for my application as an international student? Well, here is some help. And by now you should be confusing in knowing whether you comply as an international student or not. Don't worry, we will try to help you. So If you have any nationality from an European Union member country, then you're not considered an international student. You are a national student. Drop us an email and we will help you with your application as well. But be aware that for now, the applications open are for the ones for international students. So mainly your parents, or your spouse should always have nationality from outside European Union, and you have not yet lived in Portugal legally for more than 2 years in a row. So these are some of the specific points to take under consideration when determining whether you qualify as international student or not. Still, if you're not sure, don't be shy and drop us an email and we will help. And hence the applications are now open, as I just mentioned. Let's give you a little help and show you our page exclusively for international students. On Técnico Lisboa main page, you click on the tab Education and choose Applications. Then you scroll down the page for international students. Well, click there and magic will happen. All information you need is there, as well as the direct link to start your application, whether you are applying to a bachelor or a master degree as an international student. And as it is very important to know who is helping you on the other side of the screen and many kilometers away, meet this young but experienced team that will help you in your admissions process. Here are our admissions manager, Diana Ferreira, Joana Velez, and Inês Valente. We are always here available for you by email, phone, WhatsApp, Zoom, Skype, and any other tool you may need us to use. And today's webinar includes a very special participation of our mechanical engineering department. I am very pleased to introduce to you Professor Alexandra Mortinho, who will tell you more about the department and its courses and opportunities. Enjoy. Thank you, Professor, for being with us today.
Hello. My name is Alexandra Motinho. I'm a professor here at the Mechanical Engineering Department. And in case you are wondering why am I showing you a boat in a picture, well, maybe the next slides I will break the myth that mechanical engineering is about cars. So some key figures about our department. Mechanical Engineering Department is one of the few founding departments of Técnico Lisboa and is also one of the largest. It has 139 faculty members and almost 2,500 students that include not only a bachelor, master, but also PhD students. Obviously, the first two degrees are the biggest ones with over 2,200 students, ranging from mechanical engineering, aerospace, naval architecture, and ocean engineering, materials, and other engineers, maybe not so significant. Of these 2,200 students, 8% are international. Regarding PhD student, they are over 200 and 35% of them are international. So if you look into this bachelor program with some more details, so our bachelor program, as you might know, is of 3 years. Mostly we have our students dedicated to mechanical engineering, aerospace, naval architecture and ocean engineering, environmental engineering, and materials as well. And regarding these are basically the same degrees that we have in master programs, which covers 2 years. And on top of these degrees that I just mentioned, we also have energy engineering and management, which is a degree very much appreciated by foreign students. So if you are thinking of all these degrees that I just showed you that cover so many topics like aerospace engineering, mechanical engineering, environmental engineering, materials, you can see that Department of Mechanical Engineering covers quite a broad range of scientific areas. So you can see here that Two of them cover the areas of energy, so environment and energy and thermal fluids and energy conversion and technologies. Some other cover the part of products, materials, the design, so manufacturing and industrial management, mechanical design and engineering materials, and computational structural mechanicals. And then we also have, which is my area, which is control automation and industrial informatics, which also has robotics, all parts of control that are so necessary for this Internet of Things area time that we are going through. So we also have the naval architecture and marine engineering and applied mechanics and aerospace engineering. So maybe by now you already understood why I put that picture of the boat in the beginning of the slides. We, as Agatha was just mentioning, we are a very hands-on faculty, and we can see here some of the mechanical engineering department facilities. We have this wind tunnel, for instance, which you can walk inside. We have a flight simulator, which is amazing to test and try yourself flying an aircraft without the problem of crashing. And we have this robotics arena where you can try and fly drones, validate anything that is related with mobile robotics without any concern about the surrounding laboratories. And the surgical robotics lab, where you can develop and test solutions, robotic solutions dedicated to a surgical field. In the biomechanics lab, we can test and learn about the mechanics of the body. And when we combine this with the surgical robotics lab, we can develop, for instance, exoskeletons, which is quite an interesting field. Some more facilities from the mechanical engineering department, more related now with the area of materials and procedures. So we have here the mechanical and materials testing lab and the composites materials lab. More related with the energy, here we have the turbo machinery lab and the combustion and heat and mass transfer lab, where solutions like developing new turbines or allowing students to see how all these things work hands-on. Now, talking about what you can do, not only while you are in classes, but also how you can complement your curriculum so that you have a very applied experience when you go to the market. Here are some of the students' activities to which the mechanical engineering department is so much involved. Here are two of them. You will have Aerotech, which is for the aerospace engineering students, and Technic Solar Boat. So all of these solutions, you can see that it's very hands-on. All the students develop these prototypes. They enter several international competitions, and usually they are well ranked. And so these are used not only in these laboratories that I showed you previously, but some other that we also have. So these labs, they are equipped not only for classes, but also for research and for student activities. So here more now applied. Obviously, we are also dedicated to cars. And here you have formal student, technical formal student. Usually they were working on cars, developing cars for international competition, formal student competition, where they developed combustion engine cars. Now they are dedicated to electrical cars, and now they are in the stage for autonomous car with the driverless competition. And we also have Telmoto, where students develop electric engine motorcycles, and PSAM, which is about sustainability, and also again using electrical motors to develop a car that is the best sustainable way. And all of these activities, again, with international competitions. So some of the mechanical engineering and alumni, maybe you are wondering, with all these degrees and such a multidisciplinary field, where do we get to work after we conclude our degree? So some of them obviously are related with policy creation. So for instance, our current Minister of Science, Technology and Higher Education is one of our faculty members, and Maria Graça Carvalho is a member of the European Parliament, which is also one of our faculty members. So we are out of luck here in the sense that we are losing such brilliant faculty members at the time. And then we also have Pedro Amaral Jorge, which is president of the board of the Portuguese Renewable Energy Association, Carla Pep Leeuwark, which is working with systems development at Rolls-Royce, and Un Felipe, which is a guidance, navigation, and control engineer at NASA. So you can see there's a very wide area and types of employments that you can have at very high positions. With all this, so I just leave you this sentence: DAM is the technical department with the largest number of students involved in Erasmus and other international student exchange programs. I really hope you join us. Thank you.
Thank you, Professor Alexandra, for being with us today and for all the presentation regarding the Mechanical Engineering Department. And now we have reserved a few minutes to answer some of your questions that were brought up to us during this broadcast. And we will try to be as clear as possible in answering it. So don't be shy, use the chat. Alroy, thank you for being with us today. And your question is, I want to apply now, but I don't have a diploma. Can I apply now without it, or do I have to wait for the next stage? You mean for the next round? Well, Alroy, as I said earlier, thank you for being with us today. And I know that even more nowadays, diplomas are very taking a long time to be issued. So, what if you have indeed finished your bachelor degree, and I believe you're now wanting to apply for a master's degree? Ask your previous university or faculty, school, ask them for a declaration, an official declaration, as you indeed finished your degree and as you are waiting for your diploma to be issued. And this declaration should have all the subjects you passed and its grades, the grades you achieved, as well as your average grade for the whole degree. I hope this helps you and will make you have fruitful application at Técnico Lisboa. We have Xia Hao, and I'm really sorry if I'm not reading your name correctly. So, hello, Professor Motinho. May you please specify what distinguishes your programs from other institutions?
Hello, Xia Hao. Thank you for your question and your interest. Well, maybe I think besides all the great things that Agatha just mentioned, and not only about environment, about the quality of living here in Lisbon, which really gives you the peace of mind to dedicate yourself to your studies, mechanical engineering is also in top ranks in considering mechanical engineering and aerospace engineering and other degrees that related with mechanical engineering department are well ranked as well. Sorry that I didn't produce here the numbers, but if you want, you can email us and I will let you know. And we have great facilities where you can apply all the knowledge that we teach you in the different degrees. And as I just show you, we have such an excellent group of student activities that you can relate with, and very large number of international students as well, and the national ones that make you feel so welcome.
Thank you, both Professor Montino and Xia Hao. And you're very welcome, Alroy. Any more questions we can help? Can you tell me if classes are online? Well, no. Classes are fully taught on site at our campi. The three campi are prepared to receive students, and the degrees, in fact, are divided by the three campi, being the Alameda campus, the one that has around or a little bit more than 90% of all classes happening here, right in the heart of Lisbon. So there are no classes online unless you will apply for our MOOCs. Okay, that's all that we have online. Thank you for the question.
So just let me add you maybe that our MOOC courses are open, and you have several of them which are in English language, so you can, and even if they are in Portuguese, many of them are translated with subtitles and English contents, so feel free to see what we have to offer.
Yeah, just drop us an email and we will help you and redirect on our website to all the information and even to the correct office to help you for that. Another question, I'm interested to join a master in mechanical engineering. What are the key skills for mechanical engineers? Professor, would you like to help?
Okay, so Tia, I'm not sure if I understand if you are asking for the key skills to enter the mechanical engineer or what you get after you are a mechanical engineer. So being a mechanical engineer myself, this is an easier question for me to answer. You also have to understand here, well, I didn't go into detail regarding the degrees themselves. Mechanical engineering divides into three specialization branches, which are systems regarding control, automation, and robotics. And then you have also energy branch, which is related with anything related with energy. So either the management, how you go to electrical cars or combustion or anything energy related, wind power, for instance. And you also have the production branch, which is related with anything regarding materials, design, the processes to design things. So these are the skills that you get. And I think I'm muted. No?
It's good.
Okay, so everything that I said, these are the specialization branches that that cover the mechanical engineer, and you will be choosing one of these when you enter the master in mechanical engineering. But overall, any mechanical engineer master will have skills that relate to the basic things of mechanical engineering.
For the question. Are there more questions for either Professor Alexandra or for me? I don't think there are. So thank you for all the questions there were, and I hope we were able to help you. And don't forget that if you need any more help, the admissions office team is here, so don't be shy, contact us. And last but not least, I want to thank everyone for being on that side of the screen today. Thank you once again and hope to see you soon again and already here at Técnico Lisboa.